Are we doing it next week? Aye, aye. I thought you'd got a microphone. Yeah, it's no other way. I'll run out of hands. I'm clean out of hands. You're rattling, dear. Shake, rattle and roll. Oh, fireworks are going.
Wonder if they'll put any up next week.
2 minutes, is it? Is it 2 minutes? I don't know. So this is the clapping for key workers. I don't know how long this will go on for, but we quite like the idea of coming out in the street and having a chit chat. So, and the fireworks are going off. So this is Coventry, United Kingdom, and I can't clap because I'm holding the phone, so I'm sort of bashing my side. Is that the end? Just another firework. Hooray! Fabulous. Oh, right. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! So it's David's birthday.